What's up, guys? It's motovlogger with accent, and it's my new motorcycle which I just got. This evacuator car brought it for me, and I want it to take right now in dealership to change oil and so on, because it is imported from Japan. I bought it in the beginning of December, and I won it on Japan auction, and right now I just got, today is 20 March of 2020 year, and this beautiful motorcycle is mine. I was waiting it for a long time, and I just got right now. As you know, for the March, coronavirus is raging, and a lot of people are very afraid of this virus, and I hope that everything will be okay, and I wish all of you health and stay home, stay strong. I would stay home, but I don't have any another option, because I had to take it, and right now I will I started it already, and right now I will start it again, and I will try to go to dealership, and I hope they are working, and I hope that I checked engine oil and is everything okay, and I should check brakes before I will go there. I will start right now. So it's my first time on Yamaha motorcycle MT09, and I have never been on the motorcycle such as powerful as MT09. I will start right now. It has some aftermarket exhaust. I think it's not expensive one, but it's not bad sounding. Engine is not hot. Of course, some Akrapovic or Yoshimura exhaust will be better, but it is what it is. I have to go. Thanks for this evacuator guy. He did his job very good. Oh, and my first time on this motorcycle. Brakes are working and so on. So I will, as you know, it has some modes. A mode is very fast mode, and I will choose B mode, which is moderate. It's also some people call like rain mode. So it's time to go there. And so it's first ride. So it has some aftermarket mirrors. So let's try this motorcycle. I'm in first gear. It's easy to ride, I feel already that. And this motorcycle has ABS. I know. Oh, nice sounding. I should ride it careful. I'm not used to such power. I already like how it sounds. Mirrors are not working for me right now. I think I would prefer stock mirrors on this motorcycle. Maybe I need some time to get used to this. So I'm actually taller than average guy. I'm 6'1", so it's 186 centimeter, and I would prefer taller seat than this, but it's not bad actually. I like handlebar is mounted. It's like supermoto. So this motorcycle, as I told you, is imported from Japan. It's ABS model. I was looking for ABS and only for ABS because I think that ABS is must on motorcycle. It's my opinion, because I love when motorcycle has ABS. I feel like safer. I will try how does this ABS works. It works actually. Right now I will be in neutral. Nice sound. Exhaust noise is good. I am on easy on throttle because as I told you, I don't know this motorcycle. I am first time on this. It feels very light, this motorcycle. So I would love to lower footpegs also, because it's for me a little bit sportier sitting position, and footpegs are so like my angles on my knees are bent like on sport tourer motorcycle or sport bike. It's my opinion. I should use to this aftermarket mirrors. Oh, it's torquey. You know, MT09 is considered one of the most like very torquey motorcycle in the street. Right now I'm in 4th gear and it pulls. Fuck, it pulls like, I don't know. I own also an NC700X manual transmission, and NC700X is also low gearing torquey motorcycle, but you cannot compare this motorcycle to MT09. Of course, MT09 has twice or 3 times more HP, and is a little bit torqueier than NC700X, but because NC700X is a low gearing motorcycle, it feels also torquey, but this is different beast. This is different torque. It's very different. It's very different. I don't want to twist throat too much because I don't know how good is oil. Maybe it's old, maybe it's already should be changed. Because of this I am riding motorcycle right now to dealership to do this what I should do. It's not brand new, it's used motorcycle, and so I don't know even which mods this motorcycle has. Maybe it already has some kind of mods, like what I see is that it has aftermarket mirrors, It has removed some factory fender, rear fender, and what I see is also it has this levers, aftermarket levers, so it's not stock motorcycle, and it has aftermarket exhaust also. It's not expensive exhaust, I see, but it is what it is. So maybe it has also different gearing from the factory, because I don't know, I have never been on the MT09 before, and I feel like it's a very short gearing motorcycle, because right now I am riding 50 kilometers per hour. I am in 5th gear, and it pulls. It's amazing. I don't know how to explain this, but so what about mileage? I read that it has 14,900 kilometers, so it's like 15,000 kilometers. It's less than 10,000 mile, right? It's like 9,000 mile. Oh, I'm already in 6th gear, and I can ride like this at the speed of 75 kilometers per hour. Amazing. That's amazing. So amazing, because 6th gear is pulling like crazy. So mirrors are awful for me. So amazing torque. What about seat? I like seat. It's like 10-15 minutes that I'm on this, and I like. But I don't know how I will feel after like 100 kilometers or after 1 hour of riding. But for the right now, it's okay. It's a lot faster than BMW F800ST. It's very fast, very fast than F800ST, which I own also. So it's for me, it's 4th motorcycle. First motorcycle was, and I still has Bajaj Pulsar AS 200. It's Indian motorcycle. Second motorcycle was NC700X, and I still own. And third motorcycle was BMW F800ST, and also still own. And this 4th motorcycle is MT09, as you see. And right now I love this motorcycle, but I probably will change rear end, maybe to taller, a little bit taller gearing, because I feel like it's too short. It's fifth gear. I'm right now in sixth gear and 100 kilometers per hour, and it is 4000 RPM. No, it's not as short as I thought, but still it's very short. I wish I had full electronic system. Thanks for watching. It's enough for today.